Hello everyone, it's after work. I got home a little early today. Temperature's above freezing, so I am going to go ahead and get that alternator put in. So I got my new bolt from the hardware store. Head's a little bit bigger than the original one, but that's going to be fine. That is not a big deal. And tight, about there. Don't need to mungo these bolts, okay? Now I did chase the threads with a tap to clean them out. And I got lots of stuff out. Look, and that's it. Just to hold it there. Ain't gotta go any tighter. You, it's the charge wire. You go there. You go. I'll show you what you are. Rectifier circuit. Plug in there, clickety click click, that's a good sign. Once again, tight. All right, so there we have it. Got the alternator installed. I got to get my breaker bar so I can move the tensioner and put the belt back on. I almost forgot to turn the camera on. Come on, get on there. There we go. Oh, why do they gotta make that so difficult? Alrighty. Alright, it is on Titan. Alright, batteries reconnected, belts on, charging wires reconnected, other wires reconnected, bolts are tight. It's time to fire the thing up, see if I fixed it. Okie dokie, well, so far so good. The other day, this dropped way down here to that dot between 9 and 14, and the check gauges light came on. Alright, well that's going to do it for this video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't, please do subscribe. I'm trying to reach my initial goal of 1,000 subscribers. I don't really have a deadline, but I'd like to reach that goal. That would be a nice little milestone for my channel. Anyway, I will see you later.